The shadows that Zayden, shit. My 13-foot Boston Whaler, 1961. Did a lot of sanding. This side is primered already. Worked out that side. Moved the boat over. Sand down this side, patched a bunch of shit. I can still see shit that needs to be sanded, unfortunately. Filled a fuck ton of holes. The goal was to start this video and start vacuuming it up, cleaning it, then priming it. But it looks like we took a turn because I forgot some fucking shit. Fuck the keel too. So it looks like shit, but I'm fucking throw primer on there and shoot out. Don't really tell. Battery died. I don't know where I did the back, and this looks like shit, son. Holy fuck! A lot of these fucking tiny holes I need to fill. It's kind of nice though when I put the primer on there, I can see where they all are. It's kind of nice. Fuck the keel, whatever. We get her done. More holes to patch. Another coat of primer on each side and figure out the keel. Fuck. Alright. I hope all them Boston Whaler snobs out there, bro, they'd be giving me some good tips and shit. It's a rough day out here.